So, just last night, I had a dream about repentance. So, in the past month, in total, I've had two rapture dreams, one dream about resisting temptation, and one dream about repentance. I tried to warn my family, I tried to tell my family as much detail as I could. It just seems that no matter what I say, they're just stuck in the thought that Jesus isn't coming back soon. Or, I tried to warn them, I tried to wake them up, but it seems like no matter what I say, no matter what I do, I won't be able to get across to them. Y'all need to wake up. Jesus is right around the corner. He's trying to tell y'all. He is screaming at y'all with all of these signs around the world that's happening. Y'all need to wake up because Jesus is coming. I promise you, He is coming. I don't know when. Only the Father knows the day and the hour, but He is coming soon. These signs, He is screaming at y'all. Please wake up. Please just wake up. Realize that He is on His way. I'm trying so hard to warn people and help y'all, but nobody wants to listen. I mean, there are a few people that are listening, but, He's screaming at y'all. Y'all need to wake up, man.
Ang nais niyang iparating dito sa bawat isa sa atin ay gumising tayo at tanggapin na natin si Kristo ngayon pa lang. Huwag nating antayin yung mga bagay na maaaring makapagpalayo pa sa atin kay Kristo. Dahil alam naman natin na ang mundong ito ay pangsamantala lamang. So nakikita na natin yung mga resulta ng mga hindi magagandang bagay na nangyayari, no? So lahat ito ay naayon sa Biblia. So kaya pinapaalalahanan tayo palagi na tanggapin natin si Kristo bilang ating personal na tagapagligtas. I-surrender natin ang ating buhay, ang ating puso, ang ating isipan, at ang ating kaluluwa. Maglingkod tayo sa Kanya ng tapat. Yes, napakahirap gawin kasi meron tayong mga ninanais na makamtan pa sa mundong ito. Pero kung ilalapit natin ang ating sarili sa Kanya nang walang ibang hinahangad kung hindi ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa at pangako na ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon kapag tayo ay nagtapat sa Kanya ng buong puso. So ang kaligtasan ay binigay na sa atin ng Panginoon. So tatanggapin na lang natin. Kailan pa natin ito gagawin? Bukas? Sa susunod na araw? Sa isang linggo? Sa isang buwan? Hindi natin alam kung kailan darating si Kristo. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang, maganda na tayo, tumanggap kay Kristo. So yun lang, maraming salamat and God bless.